Hello friends, welcome to the Amigo Institute channel. This is Priyanka, your English trainer. In today's lesson, I'm gonna teach you some English vocabulary words. In today's lesson, I'm gonna teach you these all 10 vocabulary words which is very important for your competitive exams. So let's get started friends. The first word that I have for you is anecdote. Anecdote means a short story about a real incident or a real person. Let's take an example. The book has many anecdotes. So friends, now I'm gonna tell you synonym of anecdote. Synonym means same word, right? So synonym of anecdote is short story. Moving to our next word, which is gallant. Gallant means you can say brave or courageous. In Hindi you can say bahadur, sahasi. Let's take an example. They are gallant soldiers. वे बहादुर सैनिक हैं. Now I'm gonna tell you the synonym of gallant, which is brave. So friends, the next word is appetite. Appetite means the feeling that you want to eat something, or you can say hunger. In Hindi it is bhook. Let's take an example. The walk gave me a good appetite. Walk ने मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी भूख दी. Let's know about its synonym, which is hunger, desire or craving. Friends, the next one is beverage. Beverage means any kind of drink except water. कोई भी पीने की चीज पानी के अलावा. Okay? Let's take an example. Can I bring you some beverages while you look at the menu? Let's know about its synonym, which is drink or you can say liquid refreshment. Friends, our next word is very important, which is gratuity. Many people call it gratuity, but the correct pronunciation is gratuity. Gratuity. Now, its meaning is a tip given to a waiter, or you can say a gift to an employee when he retires. For example, he received a small gratuity for his service. Now I'm gonna tell you about its synonyms. First one is tip, second gift, and third is present. So moving to our next word, which is candid. Candid means truthful and straightforward. In Hindi you can say spashtvadi. Let's take an example. He gave a candid interview. उसने स्पष्ट interview दिया. Now we are going to talk about its synonym, which is frank. Friends, our next word is podium. Podium means a small platform for a speaker to stand on. In Hindi it is manch. Let's take an example. He was standing at the podium. The synonym of podium is dais, stage and platform. Friends, it is not dais, it is dais. Many people call it dais, but the correct pronunciation is dais. The next word that I have for you is deity. The pronunciation is deity. Repeat after me, deity. Its meaning is a god or goddess. कोई देवी या फिर देवता. Let's take an example. In my religion, we worship only one deity. Its synonym is creator or you can say goddess. So friends, moving to our next word, which is numb. In this word, B letter is silent. So the correct pronunciation is numb. The meaning of numb is when you are not able to feel anything. In Hindi it is sun ho jana. Let's take an example. My fingers were numb with cold. The synonym of numb is insensible. Last but not least is reluctant. Reluctant means when you are not willing to do something or you are not willing for something. Its meaning is unwillingness. Unwillingness means इच्छुक ना होना, किसी चीज के लिए इच्छुक ना होना. Let's take an example. She was reluctant to give me the money. वो मुझे पैसे देने के लिए इच्छुक नहीं थी. Its synonym is unwilling. Thanks for watching this video, friends. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment.